welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to paint a composition. So first of all, we will draw the sketch. Make sure that you will use a light pencil, because if you draw it with a dark pencil, then it will be visible in the coloring. So here is the placement of the face. Here is one goat. I'm just doing the layout. After that, I will finalize the whole sketch. This composition will be useful for you for the preparation of the entrance, like for BFA, MFA or any other fine art entrance. You may get help from this. We are going to do this in watercolor, so you can use any watercolor which you are having. So here the sketch is almost complete. Now we will erase the unnecessary lines as we are going to start coloring. So friends, ये जो sketch है, this is of a villager, or you can say that it's a village scene. So it may be helpful for you for your entrance preparation. So it's up to you. Like first you can do the foreground or the background. So here we are just going to start with the object, or you can say with the figure. For the face, I am using ochre with a mix of burnt china and a vermilion hue. You can use the colors according to the skin tone of the figure. So now we are doing watercolor, so we will go from light to dark instead of dark to light. So first the layer will be the lightest, so make sure not use a much of color in this. There is a use of a much of water as we can. And I'm going to paint this goat in black and white. Yeah, that will be better. So we can paint this cow in a brown shade. So here also we will use ochre. Like here we are going to do a quick watercolor. As you know, in entrance the time is very short, so we have to do the things quickly. So just quickly do the first layer wherever it is needed accordingly, like in the legs as well. Similarly, we will do the background and the foreground object. Like similarly, we can also make the foreground. So here I am just going to paint some grasses. As the farmer and the animals are in the ground. Similarly, you can use the darker tones of the colors which we have earlier used, starting from the face. Here are mustache. You can see, little by little I am giving the tones. Now in the leg. So we will now give the detailing. Like here are the eyes, mustache, the eyes of the buffalo, cow. Wherever you feel the detailing is required, you can simply do. We can also use a minor brush. Here I am having a 000 brush. So you can use it for the detailing. Similarly, for the detailing of the wrist, you can also use this brush.